how to password protect your site on Wix. So right here, as a heads up, what you can do to lock your website is you want to lock on every pages on your website. For example, on my site right here, I have home, copy of home, shop, and book online. And then what I want to do to lock my website completely, I want to lock on every pages of it. So no one can really see my website without the password. And you can also just lock on one of it, for example, only home or only shop. And then to lock it, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click on this pages and menu. And then you want to go to side menu right here. And then for example, I want to lock on my blog. And then to do it, you want to click these three dots right here. And then you want to go to settings. And then right here at the page settings, you want to go to permission. And then choose on password holders. And you can also make your website only accessible for the site members. And then after that, you want to set the password and just like that. And to lock all of your website, you want to lock all of it, the home, the shop, the FAQ, contact us, and so on. So nobody can really see your website without the password. And after that, don't forget to set it to public by click on publish. So all of your change is safe and will be accessible for everyone. And right here, for example, when I want to visit this blog right here, after I log it before, and this gonna be the screen for all of them who try to unlock it. And just type in your password. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.